We got a little dog pack following us here. See ya? They're just following us.
They are.
Oh, they're like, do you have food over here?
Right. I want that grease one.
They're just roaming around. Oh, here they come. Here they come. So I finally figured it out. Y'all want food. I know that, but there's dogs walking around everywhere here. Everywhere. Hey, buddy. And there's horses. I mean, just roaming through town. And I'm like, why are there so many animals just walking around here like it's normal? And then I realized, because the Navajo don't see these animals as beneath them or different than them or as a nuisance. They see them as part of the whole family of life. And that's kind of cool. Pretty neat.